Imagine an exercise so powerful it can reshape your entire body and resolve 90% of the fitness challenges you face. No gym membership, no fancy equipment, just you and your body weight. It sounds almost too good to be true, but believe me, it's real. Squats. Squats are simple yet incredibly effective, and you'll start seeing noticeable results faster than you'd expect. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of doing squats daily, and by the end, I'll reveal a proven method to maximize your squat results. So why are squats so highly regarded? What makes them a fitness game changer? The secret lies in their ability to transform your entire body. Squats aren't just another exercise. They're one of the most effective movements to build overall strength, improve flexibility, and burn fat. If you want a powerful yet simple exercise, squats are your go-to move. Often labeled as a lower body workout, squats are much more than that. Yes, they target the quads, hamstrings, and glutes, but they also engage your core, lower back, and even the muscles in your upper body like your traps and shoulders, especially when done with proper form. Squats turn your body into a calorie-burning, muscle-building machine by activating almost every major muscle group. In today's world, where sitting for long periods tightens our muscles and limits our range of motion, squats are the perfect antidote. Performing squats with good form encourages hip flexion, stretches the hamstrings and lower back, and engages the ankle joints. Over time, this increases your flexibility and mobility, making everyday activities like walking and bending easier. The bonus? Better mobility means fewer injuries in daily life. If fat loss is your goal, squats are a secret weapon. Engaging large muscle groups like the glutes and quads boosts your calorie burn, even at rest. More muscle means a higher metabolism, so you'll burn more calories, even when relaxing on the couch. This makes squats ideal for fat loss without needing hours on cardio machines. A strong core isn't just for looks. It keeps you stable and balanced. Each squat engages your core, protecting your spine and improving balance, which helps reduce back pain, improves posture, and makes your body feel aligned and strong. The deep squat position even strengthens the muscles supporting your spine, helping you stand taller and straighter. Squats are the definition of functional fitness, mimicking movements you do daily. Sitting down, standing up, picking things up, and more. Strengthening your body with squats prepares you for these real-life activities, making daily tasks feel easier. Squats make your body resilient in ways that extend beyond the gym. Athletic performance also improves with squats, as they increase explosiveness, speed, and agility. Whether you're a runner, cyclist, or sports enthusiast, squats enhance your performance by developing fast-twitch muscle fibers, essential for explosive movements like jumping and sprinting. Squats are also a powerful tool to future-proof your body. As a weight-bearing exercise, they increase bone density and strengthen joints, particularly in the hips, knees, and ankles. This not only helps prevent osteoporosis but also lowers injury risk as you age, building a stronger foundation for life. The benefits of squats are undeniable: strength, metabolism, flexibility, and daily movement all get a boost. Now, let's address a common question. Can you do squats every day? Absolutely. Bodyweight squats are gentle on the nervous system and don't strain muscles like weighted exercises, making them perfect for daily workouts. But listen to your body. Start gradually and let your muscles adapt to the routine. Perfect form is the key to getting the most out of daily squats. Even if you start with fewer reps, focus on technique before adding more. In a moment, I'll demonstrate the ideal squat technique to maximize its benefits. When squatting daily, vary your routine to avoid overloading the same muscles. Adjust the depth, speed, or add pauses to keep things fresh and effective. Done correctly and with consistent focus on form, squats are a true game changer. Over time, you'll notice smoother movement, greater strength, and stacking benefits like increased endurance, flexibility, and balance. Now, how many squats should you aim for daily? Beginners can start with 20 to 50 squats a day to build strength gradually. As your muscles adapt, increase your count by 10 to 20 reps each week until you reach 50 to 100 squats a day. For more advanced squatters, aim for 150 to 300 reps a day to really push your muscles. Break them into sets throughout the day if needed to make it manageable. Mix up your squats with variations like sumo squats, jump squats, or single leg squats, pistol squats, for a balanced workout that challenges different muscle groups. And remember, it's okay to have lighter days with fewer reps to let your muscles recover. Let's wrap up with the essentials of a perfect bodyweight squat. Stand with feet shoulder width apart and toes slightly out. Engage your core to stabilize your spine. Push your hips back like you're sitting in a chair, allowing your knees to bend and follow your toes. Lower until thighs are parallel to the ground or lower if you're comfortable. Push through your heels to rise, straightening your hips and knees. Together. Inhale as you lower and exhale as you push up, giving you extra power. Share your current squat record in the comments, and don't forget to check out more videos to continue improving your fitness journey.